could have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton.
So what's up everyone? Good evening pala. My name is Jerry Villacarlos. Gagawa pala tayo ng iced coffee. So tara, huwag na natin patagalin. 3, 2, 1. So, tatlong ingredients pala yung gagawin natin. Gatas, tsaka kape. So, unang ilalagay natin is ito. Tapos pangalawa is ito. Hindi masyado marami. Pangalawa is itong gatas. Per brand. Tapos pangalawa is lagyan natin ng ice. Tapos lagyan natin ng asukal.
I was down but now I'm up. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down but now I'm up.
Tungkol po sa paano ko ginawa yung coffee is yung mga na-encounter ko po is yung walang mga gamit, tas kulang pa rin ako sa experience.